Hi everybody, how are you? Well, we've been covering a lot of the areas, right, in IBT TOEFL, right? And today, we're gonna go into the ones 90% of TOEFL people hate, especially in the reading section, okay? And out of all these, right, today we're gonna be talking about, guess what? Completing the summarization or summary, okay? This is the last question of each passage, okay? And I'm gonna go over it, okay? But if all the different sections I taught, especially in factual and detail, it's gonna really help you, okay? Because it's a lot easier, okay? So let's continue, okay? Here we go. Let's read about what the complete the summary is, okay? Here we go. Okay, here we go. You will see this kind of reading question or the complete a table type of once per every passage. Okay, with this question you are given a summary statement of the reading passage. Okay, you are given 6 answer options. Okay, you must choose which 3 represents a major idea or contain critical information from the passage. Now the 3 correct options will not have the exact wording of any sentence in the passage, basically paraphrased. Okay? The other 3 will have errors in detail or state an unimportant concept. You are being tested on your ability to recognize the main ideas, or major details, major idea in a passage, as well as being able to decide what is essential or information from the passage. Okay. Now what that means is they're gonna give you like boom, 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 different questions. Okay. And this type of is worth about 2 points each. This last question. Okay. Now you can get 0 to 2 points depending how many options you get. Okay. If you'll get 1 point if you get 2 out of the 3. You'll get 0 if you only get 1 correct. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now what you have to do is with this reading question you have to drag and drop the answer you think that's correct from the bottom, okay, area of the screen, and then you have to pull it back up. Okay. You click it, you hold your mouse, and you drag it. Okay. It's pretty easy. That's not that hard. Okay. I'm not gonna go into this information. This, honestly, I don't think you guys can figure this out. Okay. Now the key points of how to answer this type of questioning. Okay, take a look, everyone. The key points. Okay. Find the main idea of each paragraph. Okay, so boom. Okay. Now in each paragraph, I want you to just find the major details. Okay. Once again, reminder, forget about the minor details and forget about the examples. You don't need them. Okay? Okay, everyone take a look. Boom. This is how the test looks like. So we take it from the bottom. See the multiple different, 6 of the different ones. You have to click it and drag it up to each section, 3 of them. Okay, and then you have the question here about basically one statement. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna show you an easy way of doing this. Okay. Now before I start, okay, I'm gonna explain something to you. Okay. If you look at this test, okay, this question or this question style, okay, it's a time test. Okay, you have 20 minutes per passage, 13 to 14 questions. Okay. The problem is if you don't notate during the test itself, right? It's hard to complete this later, okay? Because honestly, you have less than a minute for each question, okay? So what happens is I need you guys to basically cover each one, okay? So when you're doing the reading, right, to answer this question, you have to go back, and every time they ask you a question according to paragraph, factual, I'm not talking about reference or I'm not talking about vocab, but everything else, right, or insertion, okay? But everything else I need you to notate. By the time you get to this question, you just have to look at your notes.